If you have installed the NX and there's a reboot done, then you go to Start and All, and then you go to Siemens. I have a lot, but this is the Siemens I got installed, and this is the new the NX. You can make a shortcut or something, pin to start, but I select there, and I already make a mistake because you have to first start EduVPN, and that's why you get this error. Now it's connected, so we're gonna go do it again. Now recently added. You will read the tutorial to connect this. You have to use your Fontys account to get the EDVM connection. Um, Let me first see if this is the proper version about NX 24. Yeah, that's the proper version. What you have to do first, I always do. You don't have to do this. Okay, I press OK. Is go to this. I try, then go to content, role advanced. There's a variable I set, but sometimes it seems that that is not done. You have the menu structure changes then because this is for you see all menus. And what I also like is this bar is empty, and I cannot yet get that default values. Here are some nice things. So as the shading first if you show you. Okay. I select mouse button 2 to select things because if and you can drag this thing is blue, so then you can select that with mouse button 2. Then you don't have to go with mouse button your left mouse button to that part, and here you see all menus. And that's strange, they didn't a number, they removed the number in the previous versions. Oh no, wait, the shaded wireframe, shaded, fully shaded. Okay, they divided in two, and standard views you have. Okay, isometric view, and the most important part is the 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 measurement tool. And sometimes if you have no mouse, you can use this to get a fit view and so on. This is what you do. What also is, I try to save. Oh, sorry, save as. I try to create install that there is a folder created, and you go to that folder where you have write access, and that's in your documents with the Cadenix folder. You can save it there. But some students have OneDrive in their install, and then this goes wrong, and then you go to another data. Probably, let me see, save as. Then you probably go to see. Okay, now I cannot see that, but there will be a program data where it will default to, and you have no write access to. So make sure that you go somewhere uh, where you can store your files. Okay, see, I have no write access for that, so I go to my help, documents, and there should be the NX cut NX. Okay, now I have to go see users or gebruikers in Dutch. Gebruikers, and I don't know, is it this one? Documents? Yes, this is my login code, and there you can store all your. Okay, I already saved it, so you can rename it of an extra name. Up. So takeaway: make sure that you open the file where you can save it. Select these buttons, and probably if you go to another application such as drafting, sorry, you see that they are not there because you have to do that for every application. Okay, now I have apply. Okay, so I'm okay, and then I have this. Okay, it's a little bit big. Okay, close. And then you select here all advanced. Thank you for your time.